my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hi guys! Right, in with our nail prep and our Ultra Bond Platinum Primer.
You don't know how funny it is watching her trying to get her mouth around that.
Every time, every video. Oh, one of these days, and not only am I going to say it right, but I'm going to say it with such confidence and conviction, without second guessing myself, that there's going to be no reaction. I'll just go, coming in with the Ultra Bond Platinum Primer, and next, I know, yeah, but then every time I do it, and then like, yes, or I'm like, did I say that right? Oh, I'm just bloody useless. I need to rename it. And then I'm going to rename everything. If I rename all the products, just give them like numbers. Oh, Nora. Nora, that's what I'm going to call it.
I haven't asked you, Nora.
Nora. Okay, once your Ultra Bond Platinum Primer has
been on for a couple of minutes.
See, I just focus too much on the words. And then the words that I need to use after it just no. Right, base coat in the lamp, cure it, boom, bang. Oh God. Right, so I've already sized my tip. I'm just going to file the inside of that with my file bits. Rough it up. This is the almond full cover long, by the way.
Yeah, beautiful.
And then get rid of, oh, drop my brush on the floor, didn't I? My duster brush. Get rid of your dust. Okay, clear titanium builder gel.
Just move your hand out the way so you can see what she's doing.
Just enough to cover the etched area, and then a blob. Enough and then a blob. That's what we do. Right, need lamp close in the vicinity. Oh, knocking stuff over.
I'll put the lids on, don't worry.
What are you doing there? Why have I got another lamp? What's going on? Get down there. Get down there. Oh dear, lamps everywhere. Right, in at the cuticle, nice 45-degree angle. Slowly apply pressure, make sure the tip's going on straight. Move it if you need to. Oh my God, my thumb feels really weird. Oh, it feels really weird.
For those of you who don't know, Lisa decided to
redesign my thumbprint.
Redesign a thumbprint.
I split my thumb open. What, 4 weeks ago today that was?
I know.
4 weeks ago today. Sliced my thumb open. And I tell you what, it's healing really, really well, but I've done some serious nerve damage. And yeah, the tip of my thumb just feels so bizarre.
Put it this way, if she was wanted for murder from 5 years ago, they wouldn't catch her now with that thumbprint.
Definitely not. Oh God, it hurts so much. Right, pop that in lamp over there. Yeah, that's what I did. Can't even see it. But I cut all the way along here and it's, are we going to focus? Just here, it's so tender. Oh, I tell you, it's knitting together really well though, isn't it?
It's healed well, but the nerves...
Big scar all the way down here.
You can see the swelling from where the nerves are still knitting together.
Oh, ugh. Never mind, live another day. Didn't stop me though, did I? I was 4 hours up at A&E, but then I was back. Still got all my orders out on time.
Yeah, I think the only thing you had to do was cancel an eyelash client
yes,
that night.
I couldn't hold tweezers.
But I don't think you would have been back in time from A&E anyway for her.
Yeah, I would have been, but I mean, it was throbbing, and I had a massive bloody bandage on it.
It was the hand condom you had to wear.
Yeah,
it was funny.
Yeah. Never mind. But yeah, so that's why I've got like flaky skin, and it kind of looks like a butt cheeks from that angle, doesn't it? Oh, look, I've got that on that finger as well. Got butt cheeks on that finger. I popped that finger open when I was a kid. I've got to stop damaging myself. I don't have any scars. And I was chatting about that scar as well, wasn't I?
I know, see.
God, I'm just a walking accident, honestly. I'm a danger to myself. Anyway, right, let's stop talking about injuries because I could go on forever with how many bloody injuries I've got. What am I doing on this nail? I gained polish all over myself again. Oh yeah, I remember now. Pay attention. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I think I've had too much coffee. Right, woosah.
Oh,
Chill.
that or not enough.
Chill. Stop gassing. If this is the last video you ever see from me, it's because Dave has sacked me. He's messaged me and gone, Lisa, I don't think you're right in the head anymore. We've decided to let you go.
Anymore? Anymore?
I've never been right ever. Oh, right. Anyway, Lucid from Mystic Dreams. We're going to see how this looks. This might not work. We might need to change the colour. This might be a little bit too yellow, but I don't know. We're going to roll with it. See how it goes. If it don't work, we'll do something
and everything,
else.
guys.
Now I'm going to try, and this is why it might go a bit Pete Tong. I'm using Warming from Spring Beginnings, which is the new Prophecy collection. I'm going to kind of put them up to each other in middle. I'm not sure if this is going to work, Sam. I think they're just too different. I'm looking for my ombre brush to do a ombre. Right. First of all, actually, I reckon this might work pretty well.
He's working.
You never know until you get going. I didn't think this was going to work. I didn't think this was going to blend very nicely. Right. Relax your hand, honey.
You like Crocodile?
Quick, gel. Honey, that's why you don't have no boyfriend. Oh, yes. This is going to work wonderfully. I was genuinely worried that I was going to have to wipe all of this off. Right, pop that in the lamp, Sam. We'll blend a bit more on the second coat. Sometimes you just don't know until you get the colours on. And the minute you do that initial blend, you can pretty much tell straight away, yes, this is going to work.
Really well, this.
Or no, this is going to look shocking. And actually, I like it when things go better than
it looks like that.
It's not very often.
It looks like that well-known brand of chocolate that make them little eggs.
It will do when I'm finished. Don't at the minute, because they're all one colour, aren't they? They're not ombre.
Oh, some of them are sort of a mix of colours.
Oh, I like that. That'd be nice.
I know what's wrong with you. It's the jet lag from the hour that they've took off you.
Probably. All sorts. Sleep deprivation, overworked, not enough nicotine, not enough coffee.
What do you mean not enough nicotine?
No nicotine. Which is why I said not enough. It's not enough. I need nicotine back in my life. No, you don't. Be good. You're a strong, confident woman, Lisa. You don't need nicotine in your life. You're a strong, confident woman. That required such minimal blending. I'm kind of astounded.
I love it.
Right, bang that lamp. Full cure. I want to do a full set of them. Just because I was so easy to blend. And actually, to be fair, obviously with the Mystic Dreams collection, I think there's 6, 8, 12. I don't know how many's in there. There's quite a few in there.
I like the glitteriness of that Mystic Dreams.
Really, really happy with that. Right, I need a pink orchid. You'll do. Perfect. Look at that. No messing. Right. Where are we at?
I don't know. Hold on.
Wicked from the Prophecy collection. This is your black speckled top coat. Sorry guys, if you don't know, I've got a tick. And that was it. Right, once you've got your full coverage. I just want to, I don't want too much. I don't want too many black speckles. So I'm just going to keep wiping down this nail, drag some of them off. It'll only take a few off. There we go, happy with that. Right, pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. So I've only used this a couple of times now, and it is a matte top coat, but it's quite a, what do we say, sheer? It's quite a, like a satin, that was the word, like a satin matte finish. So it's not really, really dull.
Got the shimmery bits in it.
Yeah, it's, you'll see it in a minute, you'll see it. Oh, that's a 60-second cure, that one, isn't it? Yeah.
No idea.
But I mean, I'm going to have to, am I going to matte top coat it again? I think I am, yeah. I'm going to have to matte top coat it again anyway. But I'm going to be using the Velvet matte top coat second time round. So, you'll get to see.
The fact that she matte top coats me.
You don't like it, do you? If you want me to gloss it afterwards, I can do.
No, it's fine. It's just one of those... What's it on? I'm just so old-fashioned. I was born in the 70s.
If you want me to gloss it afterwards, I can do, babe.
Nope. It's your design. It's your design.
Oh, good. Oh, what we're doing? Lint-free wipes, kiwi cleanser. That's what we need. And give this nail a good wipe off when it comes out of the lamp. Right, bring that out of the lamp for me, please, babe. It's more matte this time round, isn't it?
It is, but that sparkle that you've
So
still got the...
we used it on this nail just to bounce back, but can you still see how it's got... Oh, I've now just made it wet. You see how it's still got a little bit of a shine to it, just a smidge. Can't pick it up so much on this nail. However,
is
what am I
that
doing?
because you can still see such a good sheen from your Lucid? Because Lucid had a really good sheen underneath it.
Maybe. Right, so I'm using Orchid from the Fairy Garden. Just like so. So I'm doing one pointy ear and then one floppy ear. I'm just going to add a little bit more to that. Obviously, I don't want to be going too thick, but I really want to make sure I cover up those black dots coming through. But yeah, don't go too thick, otherwise it'll just bubble under the lamp. Right, pop that in for full cure, please, Sam. So this is why we're going to have to matte top coat again. So we're going in with a matte top coat. Obviously, had I done the ears before I used Wicked, you'd have got black dots on the ears. You could have faffed around removing them, but I thought it's just easier. And again, you know, if you like, in fact, what I'm going to do, because you're not overly keen on the velvet matte, are you? I think you'll get on better with that matte top coat, because it's got a different texture. This actually feels like velvet, doesn't it? It gives that fuzzy, not quite fuzzy, it's not the right word, whereas that feels...
These are your designs.
I can't get my words out.
These are your designs. You do them as you want them.
Chuck that out. Right, I'm not going to top coat the whole nail. I'm literally just going to matte the bunny ears. Don't worry if you go over it a little bit, because we're still going to be painting around these ears. So if it does go over it a little bit, don't fret. Right, pop that in, please, Sam. Right. Uno momento.
Feel like one's like they definitely feel different. They've got a different feel to them.
So I think you'll get on with this top coat a lot better than the velvet one. We'll find out anyway. Report back to me, let me know. Right, so using my 8mm liner and white artisan paint, it doesn't matter if it's the tack-free one or the normal one. We're going to focus. There we go. Load your brush up. First things first, I'm going to outline the top of... Is this Mr. Bunny or Miss... no, we're going for Mr. Bunny. Mr. Bunny, my daughter. When she was a toddler, she's 15 now. She had a bunny rabbit teddy that she was obsessed with. She still got him. And he was called Mr. Bunny. Original, I know. So we're going to call this little guy Mr. Bunny.
I had a black and white bunny that burnt in fire and I called it bread.
A teddy or an actual bunny, please specify.
It was a stuffed
Okay, just
toy.
checking. Just checking.
A toy bunny that I put in front of the electric fire and broke it. And he kept his name for years. And then I lost him.
Oh. I had a dog teddy called Floppy because it had really floppy ears and it was quite big. This ear is bent over, by the way, so I'm going to do this section here first and bring the point down over here like that. Yeah, so Floppy, bless him, he had floppy ears, and I went to school one day, came home, and our new puppy had chewed his ears off. And I was absolutely heartbroken. It's bless somebody that I knew stitched his ears back on for me, made him as good as new. Oh, this is so cute.
This is proper cute.
So cute. Cuteness overload with this one, guys. So we're going to...
Going to put this in.
Oh, what am I doing? No, don't put it in. No, don't put it in. I'm just making a mess of myself. Oh my God, I've got it everywhere. Right, I've got a really super fine white glitter. It's got like a greeny, yellowy, bluey. You can pick that up on the camera. I'm going to sprinkle some of this on. Just using an old eyeshadow brush. Oh my God, I love him so much. Right, pop that in, please. Full cure, 60 seconds. I'm just gonna have a quick tidy up. Okay, all out the lamp. Are we gonna focus?
Is that a full 60 seconds or was that just a 30?
That was a full cure. Oh my God, look at him!
Oh my God, his eyes.
Look at him! Why isn't
I
the
really
camera
hope the
focused?
camera's picking up that sparkle.
I don't think
great.
it is. Oh, he's so super cute. Oh, I mean, obviously, if you want to do him a little bit higher and paint his little face on, you can do it. But I kind of like that, just the hint of a little bunny on
delivering an Easter egg.
Yeah, on a little Easter nail. Oh, I really enjoyed that one. Thanks, guys.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.